Hello everyone, this is Miss King, coming to you to explain what to expect from chemistry as we're transitioning to online for the foreseeable future. This is a big one, Google Calendar. I'm going to be using Google Calendar to kind of lay out what we're doing every day. So this is something you'll want to check daily. On Google Calendar, you're going to see a daily agenda. You'll be able to access this through Blackboard. It's very easy to add to your personal Google Calendar, so you can check it from anywhere through your phone. And it's also going to be how you'll be able to find and join office hours. So let's explore how to do that. If I'm in our chemistry Blackboard page, in the top left under navigation, we'll find daily calendar. Go here. It'll load our class Google Calendar. If you want to add this to your personal calendar, you can go down here and do the plus Google Calendar. And again, I use that all the time so that I can check from anywhere through the Google Calendar app on my phone what we'll be doing in class that day. If you want to look just from Blackboard, you can click on these red squares here, and it'll give you an overview of our objectives for the day, the agenda. This is every single item you should be completing, and what's due. What do you want to make sure is finished and turned in? The other items you'll see here are office hours. So this would be my office hours for Monday, March 30th. I'll have an office hour from 11 a.m. to noon. And this is going to be how you'll be able to access that and actually join. So if I wanted to join in on these office hours, I'd go to more details. And then through the Google Calendar website, it'll automatically pull up those office hours. And I join by doing Join Hangouts Meet. If I click on that during this session, I will join office hours automatically. So that rolls us naturally into a discussion of office hours. Through Google Meet, we talked about how to join in office hours. These are not mandatory. They're here to provide extra support. If you got questions on assignments or content, please don't hesitate to join in. You can participate using video, voice, chat, any combination of the above. It's just a way for us to connect in real time. If you want to connect in real time, like you don't want to just use email, and those offered times don't work for you, please reach out. We'll find a way to connect either at a different time or using a different medium, maybe just over the phone. Activities. Please expect about 40 minutes of work each school day from chemistry. It'll be a combination of familiar activities, readings from the textbook, note-taking, doing Edpuzzles, which are really cool, online simulations like the PhET activities or the Gizmo activities, pencil and paper problems, so calculations. You have a lot of familiarity with that. And maybe we'll be creative and throw in some other types of activities as well. Expect something to turn in every day or every couple of days. I just really want our class to be in kind of a rhythm so people don't get caught too far behind. This will be a way for our class to keep a regular rhythm so people don't get caught behind. Organization on Blackboard has changed a little bit. The content's now going to be organized more streamlined by day. If applicable, you'll want to complete everything listed under in-class materials. If the whole day is just a single assignment, you won't see that. And then the readings and answer keys, those are the only things that won't be included by day, and those are found in the unit folder. Let's look through that real quick. So going under content, let's go to the Chapter 16 Solubility Online folder. We'll see readings at the top. So if you ever have to look at a reading, you'll find those at the very top of your unit folder. Scroll down and we'll find assignments day by day. So for molarity review, let's check what that looks like. That's a list of different activities to do, and you'll want to do all of these in-class material activities. There's also supplemental material if you want to explore the content more, or if you just need extra help, you can look there. In-classes material is what you need to make sure you've completed. Alternatively, other days will just be a single assignment. So under additional ways to calculate concentration, this is a single assignment. So if I open that up, it'll say when it's due, how many points are available, and it'll give some instructions on how to complete it. In this example, you'll open a slideshow, complete notes, and turn in the practice problems by the due date. And that's the gist of it. Again, this is a transition, something new for all of us. Please don't hesitate to be in contact. I'm going to be running this class for the next few weeks, and you can send me an email at any time at felicia.king@bsd7.org. And if you just want to increase the likelihood of a quick response, definitely CC Mr. McGeehan at his email address shown here. Again, just really want to reiterate, reach out with any questions, comments, concerns, what's working for you, what isn't. And definitely, if you start falling behind, if you are 2-3 days behind, definitely reach out by email so we can kind of nip that issue in the bud. The last thing I have to say is that I'm looking forward to taking on this challenge with all of you. You're a wonderful class, and I'm confident that we can all be successful.